In this video, I'll show you how to fix your LG Smart TV in case you don't have any audio coming out of the TV. You got a picture, but no audio. So let's start with the first solution. I'll show you multiple ones, but let me show you the easiest one first. Unplug your LG TV from the wall socket or from the power strip. Even if it's turned on, this does not matter. Simply pull the plug. Now you can set this aside. And we need to find the power button that is located under your LG TV. Sometimes it's right under the LG logo, but other times it's on the right side or the left side. Let me show you. If I flip the TV, you're gonna notice over here, there's a button. You need to keep press this power button during 30 seconds. So keep it pressed. Even if the TV is turned off, this will simply drain the remaining energy that was still stuck in the TV. After 30 seconds, you can release this button. Now, before plugging the TV back, you need to wait at least 10 minutes. So be patient, put this down, and come back after 10 minutes. When it's time to reconnect your LG TV, I suggest you do not use any power strip. Sometimes these are causing the problems. They are not able to distribute enough power to your TV, and this is why you may have issues. So this is why I recommend you plug your TV directly into the wall socket. Sometimes these can get defective as well, so if you're still having an issue, try plugging it in another one. Now, if this didn't work, what you can do is to take your remote control. Maybe yours is looking different than mine over here, and you need to find the settings button. Mine is located right over here. It's a cogwheel. If you have another kind of remote control, it may be located over here. If not, go on the home menu and just press this cogwheel. It will bring you into the setting. Okay, so once I press the settings button, I'll have all the settings on the left side. Maybe yours will be on the right side, and you need to go down until you see sound out. I know it's a bit hard to see over here. Then press the enter button on the remote control, and you'll have to choose between different options here. You have TV speaker, and what I suggest is that you move using the left and right arrow to another sound out device. So over here we have optical out. If you have connected your TV to a home theater or external speakers or a sound bar, this may be the issue. You need to switch to optical out if you used an optical cable. If not, if you press this arrow, you may have to choose this option instead. Try them all and hopefully one of them will work for you. Sometimes you're on one of these settings and you simply need to select TV speakers if it wasn't already selected. If this didn't work, you need to go in the settings, as I am right now, but this time we're gonna go where it says all settings. Once you press this, you're gonna get another menu, and in this menu, you need to go down and select support and software update. Maybe your TV needs an update and the app that you're trying to play audio from is not working properly since the TV is not updated to the last version. So once you go here, check for updates, click on this, wait a few seconds, and you should have an update appearing here if there is one to be installed. If not, the last solution is to do a factory reset. And how do you do this? You just need to go into the same menu over here, but this time go into General, then go all the way down in this menu until you see System, and then go all the way down until you select Reset to Initial Settings. Click on this. You're gonna need to enter the password of the TV, the one that you have input, if there is one, and then the TV will completely delete every personal data, all your apps, and fortunately, after doing this, you'll be finally able to hear some audio coming out of your TV. So thanks for watching. If you have another trick, please leave it in the comments down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read it and to try it out. If not, just leave a like, comment saying that it worked, and I'll see you in the next video.